It's day 3 of Week to Wicked. We have an LS engine installed in our 1967 Chevelle. A few more days to do the build, get this thing ready to drive. And the next step is going to be installing these gauges from Dakota Digital. This is their VHX series. It's a really, really nice gauge set, very modern, but it still keeps that kind of classic, nostalgic feel of driving a muscle car. You don't want you don't want to feel like you're driving a spaceship when you're behind the wheel of a Chevelle. So this really does that. It's a really neat black gauge set, white faces. These needles actually glow orange and red when they're turned on. And something really cool about this is it's got a whole bunch of performance displays built into it. So quarter-mile times, top speed, RPM recall, a whole bunch of fun stuff that you could do with the car that you couldn't do with the stock gauges. So we've got these all in front of us. We've got an OBD2 hookup that's going to plug right into the ECU for the crate engine. Make this really, really simple. If you've got an old motor, you can still use the original senders. Actually, they include the correct brass fittings, so you can plug these senders in and do everything the old school way. And we're gonna get these set up and get them in the car.
We're about to remove the old gauges and get the new gauges in. Instructions are fairly easy to follow, so we're gonna get right into it. So we're actually going to be using this plastic part, this chrome plastic. We're just going to set the new gauges on there. And it should fit nicely with your old hardware. No problems at all. Butter. Look at that. It's a perfect fit. As you can see, look how good that looks. You got your fuel, your temperature, miles per hour, RPM, the oil, and your volts. We didn't have an RPM in the old one, so this is a big step right there. And we got a small screen there. We can make adjustments through here from our VHX box. All right, everything's nice and snug. Let's check it out. Look at that. That's a perfect fit.